Guys, dito po guys. Sa plaza guys, ulian na guys. Ang araw ng guys, metric ngayon guys. Maraming bataan, maraming date dito sa Pikawayan. Welcome to vlog mula sa metric guys. Ang metric ngayon guys, sa last 3 media guys, 39 na guys. Basta plaza, maraming date. Ang metric ngayon, maraming date guys. Hi guys, welcome to vlog guys. Coming 1K followers guys. Ikaw lamang ng Pandis Bikers Vlog. I-follow number 1 sa balota. Dito guys, dito tennis court guys, tennis court. So tennis court dito. Topang Plaza guys, dito guys, may 11 Live, may LBC, may guys. Dito guys. 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 Electric pa yan guys. Guys ha. Welcome to vlog. Guys. Dito guys namin. Time check guys, alas 3:41 na guys. Araw ng guys, motoras init pa guys. Init kayan guys, bibit guys. Araw ng bibit, Picha 3C guys, init ganyan guys. Picha 3C, init pa guys, papisan Picha 3C guys. Ito guys. Init ganyan guys. Babae guys. Metric ngayon guys.